Now let's look at the last one, which is data visualization. Here is also an intro. So what we are going to do is to generate a simple bar chart like I showed earlier on when we started this tutorial. So let's just do a simple bar chart. Okay, R has some inbuilt function for plots. And there are other packages too, like ggplot, etc., that can help you do advanced plot. But let's keep it simple here. There's an intro. So let's say I want to plot a bar chart. We need values, of course. So I'll just say snip count. And of course, you see my C. That means what? The number vector. So I have 17. Let's say 10. Let's say 2. Let's say 13. Now, with bar chart, I also need some labels. I'll say sample ID. Again, what? Character. So this time, it's a character vector. So let's say P001, P002, P003, P004. You have it this way. This is a simple bar chart. Okay, let me correct it here. It's a bar chart. Okay, so a simple bar chart. I've corrected a typo. All right. Now we also have this. So here we first define what? The values. Okay. Values to be plotted. Now we plot. So what we can do is to say bar plot. And we plot what we want to plot. That's snip count. Name.arg. This will be used as labels. We say what? Sample ID. Then we can say xlab, that's label, and say sample or samples, whichever one you want. Right? Then comma in R. So the comma should come here. So we can have ylab equals number of snips. Okay, comma again. We can come to the next line. That is fine. Okay, we can come to the next line. But the bracket should still be there. And we can say color equals, let's say green. We are given a color. I can choose to leave it out anyway. Comma. And then main, that will be title. We can say snip count. And now we can run it. So let's run this. Perfect. So now we see everything has been done nicely. All right. If you don't want the color, that's great. You can just remove that option together with one, the commas, and then run it again. So it gives you a different thing altogether. Okay, so we have it this way. Now I'll reverse by using Ctrl-Z to get back to my previous command, and I'll run it again. Right, so perfect. So now this is very, very nice and cool. Okay, so this is it. All right, so in a nutshell, if you know programming, for example, R, it becomes easier for you to do analysis, handle large data, manipulate, and it also makes you very flexible. Okay, with programming, it allows you to do a lot of things. You can customize, you can remove, you can add. There are a whole lot of things. So at the end of the day, it depends on what you want. All right. So if you're a beginner and you still want more tutorials, one-on-one session, you can always reach out to me. We can arrange and we can work things out here. All right. So this is the R programming for Bioinformatics Beginners Edition, and I'll be making more content which will be detailed. So the detailed tutorials are going to highlight some of the different things I've talked about here, and then those who want to learn more can learn more. Those who are also interested in Python, I have a playlist for Python for beginners and advanced users. So just check the description, so you find links to those videos. All right. So This is how we do it, and I will see you in the next session.